Get ready for Bihar Civil Code dictation. Start. Secularism means separation of religion from political, economic, social and cultural aspects of life, and religion being treated as a purely personal matter. It emphasizes dissociation of the state from religion and full freedom to all religions and tolerance of all religions. It also stands for equal opportunities for followers of all religions and no discrimination on grounds of religion. Secular traditions are very deep rooted in the history of India. Indian culture is based on the blending of various spiritual traditions and social movements. In ancient India, the Sanatan Dharma was basically allowed to develop as a holistic religion by welcoming different spiritual traditions and trying to integrate them into a common mainstream. Even after the advent of Jainism, Buddhism and later Islam and Christianity on the Indian soil, the quest for religious toleration and coexistence of different faiths continued. The spirit of secularism was strengthened and enriched through the Indian freedom movement too. Though the British have pursued the policy of divide and rule, however, Indian freedom movement was characterized by secular tradition and ethos right from the start. Gandhiji's secularism was based on a commitment to the brotherhood of religious communities based on their respect for and pursuit of truth, whereas Jawaharlal Nehru's secularism was based on a commitment to scientific humanism tinged with a progressive view of historical change. The term secularism is like to the Vedic concept of secularism, that is, the indifference of state to religion. The model of secularism adopted by the Western societies is based on the complete separation of religion and state. Indian philosophy of secularism is related to, which means equal respect to all religions. This concept embraced and promoted by personalities like Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi is called positive secularism, that reflects the dominant ethos of Indian culture. India does not have an official state religion. However, different personal laws on matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, alimony varies with an individual's religion. Indian secularism is not an end in itself but a means to address religious plurality and seeks to achieve peaceful coexistence of different religions. There is a clear incorporation of all the basic principles of secularism into various provisions of Constitution. The term secular was added to the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, that is, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic country. It emphasizes the fact that constitutionally India is a secular country which has no state religion. Stop. हेलो साउथ इंडियंस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ऐसे ही और हार्ड वर्ड्स की आउटलाइन और वर्ड्स डिफ्रेंसिएशन की वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। थैंक यू।